Well, hello and welcome to this training video of how to get your M5Atom Matrix working with the wonderful TallyArbiter by Joseph Adams. The first thing you want to do is install the Arduino IDE, the Interactive Development Environment. You get that from arduino.com. Links I will put in the description below. So I'm going to go here. And I'm actually going to create these. So this is very rough and ready without a lot of foreplanning. But I had to deploy this on a new machine of mine. So I decided to bring you along for the process. So the first thing we do is we download the Arduino IDE, install that. That's where we'll start. Once that's installed, you'll see it now lives on the desktop. Our next protocol is to go to GitHub. Oh, there you go. You can either go to mine or you can go to Joseph's. Joseph's forked this particular repository. I'm going to say a lot of things that I'm learning and that you may not know. You're probably just here to deploy this thing, right? So forking is where someone copies your code, makes a copy of it, and then you can do things together with the code all in Git. And so if someone adds something, you can add that into yours and vice versa. This was originally forked from MG-1999, who wrote the original version. So in here, I'm going to put this video so that you'll be able to follow along with me. So what you want to do is you can either get it from Git. I just say download it because I'm a little bit slower like that. So we'll grab, oops, silly me. That's showing some of the changes that were made, right? So we're going to grab this file. We're going to download it somehow. See, I told you, I'm slow at this stuff. I don't know. The easiest way I know how to do it is to just go raw, select all the code, copy, and we'll paste it into here. So I'm actually going to copy this link and put it in the description for you as well. Okay, cool. All right. So this we're going to save as just on the desktop for now, and we'll just call it matrix.ino, which is the file format for Arduino, I think. It's very hot here and very noisy here, so apologies for that. From that point, we're going to minimize that. We're going to close this, and we're going to see, there it is. There's the Arduino file. We'll open up that Arduino file. I'm just going to say yes, because I would like, what I'm doing in the future on this is I'd like to have access to that. Yes, create the folder, make it pretty, do it properly. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go in here and change it to your network, which I've got an SSID here called TallyArbiter. I've got a password, which is give me tally. The server will be whatever this machine is, which I can never remember. 152. There it is. Click. Like so. Okay, so that's all ready to go. That's it. We are now ready to write this to the Atom Matrix. So we're going to save it. I am doing this via remote desktop and pulling it in via, it's a long story. Anyway, herein lies the problem. You'll be like, okay, great. Now how do I push it to my device? I don't see the M5 Matrix there. So what you've got to do is you've got to go into Boards Manager, and I'll also find this and put this in. So again, this is very rushed. Well, not rushed. M5 stack Atom. But I'll show you the process that I go through to find out the information that I need. So here we go. I can't remember which one it is. It's one of these. It actually shows you. Here's all the cool toys you can. Oh, motor and servo. That's cool. Anyway, let's go Atom. Unit. Base. I can never remember. Okay, let's just go back here. Store. Atom. They look so good on cameras. They're so small. It's very cute, but they're very bright and very clear. And again, you can adjust all the brightness as you go. There it is. Wow, they're out of stock. Oops. Can I go into it? Okay, I'm going to start that all again. It's okay to make mistakes and go back and do it again. Yeah, they're absolutely brilliant. Anyway, let's try this one. Wow, out of stock. Unbelievable. Document. I think this is the one that I used to find out what I needed to install. And there's a couple of dependency issues. Okay. Okay. So this here. Okay. That one I think we need to go to get the information. Some cool stuff that they do. It's just telling you about all the functions that it's got. How do I add? Oh, I can't remember. You're probably yelling at the screen telling me where to go with this, but I can't remember. This is the pain that I went through. Here we go. All right, this one. This is the moneymaker. No. So we've downloaded that. We've now gone to get Arduino set up properly. This is a bit of a pain. So you've got to go in here. It tells you how to install Arduino. And this is the part you've got to do. And I'll show you how to do this. So you go in here, you go Tools, you go Boards Manager. Nope, wrong one. Apologies. File, Preferences. Aha, Additional Board Managers URLs. Poke that in there. Tools, Boards Manager. Wait for it to find things. Okay, M5. Nope. ESP32. Okay, there it is. Install. What this will do, this will give you the correct board configuration, which is the ESP32 thing that's inside the matrix, and it'll allow you to then talk to and write to these development boards. I don't have any music. It just takes time. This is just part of the process. And I will not edit this because otherwise, I don't know, you don't get to come on the journey with me. You're going to be sitting here anyway waiting for your thing to download. Oh, my voice is out of crack. But this has been so good. I mean, I only recently discovered TallyArbiter, and it is so cool. It works on all the devices, anything with a web browser. I've got old tablets running it. It's very cool. Also the Cloud Connect, where you can run it on a server up in the cloud. I've got one running in Linode. I've got one running in AWS that I was testing out. It's so lightweight. Oh man, so cool. Very cool. All right, we're nearly ready to go. I think it's give me tally. Password. Oh, well, we'll find out. And these are the pain points that you'll hit. So that's why I wanted to do a video, because I've already been through them and I'm going through them again and relearning them because I've forgotten them already after a few weeks, as is per usual with my brain. Okay, so we've installed the ESP32. We can now go to Tools. We can go Board, Arduino. We can go to M5 Stack. I thought it was just there. There it is. M5 Stick-C. And now, for example, we can go Sketch, Upload. Now, this was where you'll start hitting some issues. So you'll see some errors, right? So it'll say M5Atom.h, no such file or directory. That's because we haven't installed the dependencies. So this include dependency is basically a set of subcode which allows you to talk to different bits and pieces. So we're going to go down here. Now, there's probably a faster way to do this, but I have no idea because I don't know what I'm doing, which is always fun for everyone, including me. But we're going to, update the libraries. This is all being done on a little NUC, so that's probably why it's a little bit slower than a proper developed machine. I'm going to get rid of that .h. There we go. So we're going to install that library. Okay, and then we're going to go, oops, socket.io. There it is. And we wait for it to think about its life. We're going to grab the Arduino library. Waiting. Hey, vey. Arduino JSON. Sorry, my apologies. Waiting. There it is. Underscore JSON is very important. Okay, let's see how far we get now. It starts compiling. Okay, what happened? Oh, fast LED is not installed. So you can see down here, these are the things we look for. So again, we'll go to the library. I don't even have my trademark massive cursor. Oh, well. Nobody got time for that. Fast LED. Thinking. There it is. Okay. There's a weird thing with the matrices. You can't go above value 20 of the LEDs, otherwise it burns them out, draws too much current, causes all kinds of issues, which you really don't want to have. Click close. Let's run another upload. Or compile, then upload. Okay, Wi-Fi's not... Welcome to my life of, not following what I should follow and doing that. Oh, hang on. What does that actually say? Does it say not found? WebSockets.h. Oh, sorry. It's that one. So WebSockets client. I think it was something else for some reason. Because it's got an underscore there, and that's not the same exact library. Oh, I remember figuring this out. WebSockets. Sure, why not? Okay, so WebSockets was missing. That's our file. That's what's missing. Try again. Sketch, upload. When you see errors, never give up. It just means you've got to work at it a little bit harder or read things. Oh, I'm an idiot. I did say I should go through this one by one. Manage libraries. Waiting. Here we go. Or not. Paste. We wait again. That sounds like us. Did I grab the M5 Atom? I think you probably should just add that because that'll have probably that Wi-Fi one. Oh yeah, it's installed. Good. Let's try again. Let's see how far we get. Again, people probably are yelling at the screen saying, "You've missed this. You've missed that." But I'm doing it live, as they say. Maybe I've got to install the ESP32. Maybe. This is how I develop. I just kind of poke things until I figure out what it's supposed to do. I know where I want to get to. The journey is just a little bit more. Okay. Okay. I have no idea. Maybe I need to install M5 Stack. I honestly don't know. No idea. No, such multiple libraries were found for this. Okay, we used that one, not used. Oh, see, I'm an idiot. Pin button H is what's missing. See, thank you for yelling at the screen and telling me that. That makes it, we can travel through time. And that did get to me, so thank you. Okay, pin button, go, mush. Sure, why not? I don't know if that's the right thing or not, but it's coming up. Okay, it's apparently installed. We go sketch, upload. Oh, that's promising. Come on, little Nuck, you can do it. Thinking, waiting. We are very patient. Anytime now. Continuing to think. Hello, computer. I mean, it's chewing its gears and the fans have kicked in, so it must be doing something relatively taxing. And we are, 18 minutes in. It's okay. This is the hardest part. It's getting it up for the first time. Hello? Oh, yes, I need to activate. It's a brand new install. That's okay. All this is good so far. This is fine. This is fine. They're not errors yet. Well, I mean, they're just notes. Almost there. Okay. This is a library, and oh no. This is an error you'll get, and it's this bit that caught me. It's caught a lot of people actually. So what we've got to do is we've got to remove or comment out this bit. So we're going to open up this whole thing here. File, open, paste. And we're going to find hex dump. I think there's only one. Yeah, there's only one, right? All we're going to do is comment it out. Now, I have no idea what language this is in because I'm not a very good programmer. But I'm going to look up here and I'm going to see that I can probably comment it out. There are no comments in this. Why? I think it's like dash dash. Yeah, okay. So find that hexed up again. And we go, haha, you are commented out. Save that file and do an upload again. That's like the one trick at 18 minutes, 30 seconds that you needed to know about. Now we do the waiting process again while it recompiles on a NUC, an older NUC. It's very slow. At this time, if I wasn't recording a video, I would go and grab the Windows activation key for this particular box because I've done a fresh install of Windows on it, hence why I'm going through this process. And I would then stick it in there. But this is the internet, and I can't really do that because that means the key would become invalid. Oh, I could blur it. Just blur the whole screen, potentially. Well, waiting for this to compile. Yeah, why not? Let's see what happens. Let's add a scene. And let's group that selected item, so it puts it in there. Let's grab a filter. Let's see if I've got a filter installed. No. I do not have anything that I could blur it with. But it is compiling. See, it's got further now. That's the main part. Oh no. What? You're kidding. Serial port was not selected. Oh well, welcome to my brain. Let's go. There's the board. Upload speed. Why is the port not showing up? I'm going to hit save. I'm going to unplug. This one's already running some code. Unplug, replug. We're waiting for this. That should have now shown up. We should now be able to launch. It's like launching, but with more R's. Launch Arduino. Tools. Okay. Device manager. Where's the serial device? Do I need to install drivers? Okay, apparently we've got to install drivers. Let's find out. M5 stack. Let's go back to this page. Whoa, did I just see up to 16 gigabytes of storage on this thing? TF card reader. That's cool, man. That's cool. Related link. I don't know what that means. Let's find out. No idea. Again, this is just telling us about it, right? I don't know why it hasn't discovered that serial port on my other computer. I think it just discovered. M5Atom serial driver, Windows 10, maybe? Oh yeah, you need that one. Let's do that. It's a CP2104. CP2104 driver. That is the USB to serial thing. Driver. Oh well. Let's just, you can see where to grab it from. I'll just dump in the driver into the list. And that is completely my fault. Software and tools. Sigh. You know what? I'm just going to say you can get it from wherever I just was. Back. Click. Click. That's the wrong one. That's Git. There it is. Okay, back to where we were. We have to install the thing. So let's do that, shall we? You right, Link? Ah, you got him. So we go in here. We go, I'm going to use the x64 ones. Okay. Now let's see if Arduino has found that port. What I might do, I might just unplug, replug, because now that driver is technically installed, it should find it. You'll see it'll disappear. Gone. Plug it back in. And it should say, finding new device. Is it going to do that? Update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Why? Okay. I don't know why it's not doing this, but we're going to go update driver. Browse my computer. Let's go to that folder we just extracted. Click. Include the subfolders. And let's see if it can find the driver. Nope. Let's go browse. Let me pick. Show all devices. Have disk. Okay. I'm guessing it's the top one. Let's just guess that it's the top one. Yep, that's fine. Why does it always rain on me? We'll try unplug, replug again, just because. Off. On. I don't know. Maybe it'll come up. No. You know what? I'm going to restart the computer. So come for a journey. Let's do it. Restart the computer. And this is why I recorded on a different machine and did it from scratch. So you could see all the problems that we have as they occur. Because otherwise it's too easy, right? You won't see that because that's an NDI source. But be assured the Intel NUC boot screen is going on. The Windows 10 spinning dots are now active. I'm now at the splash screen. I can type in a password to get in. And with any luck, I should be back in. Let's make sure that NDI is going to run. NDI tools, screen capture. And now we should see the screen has come back. There it is, look at that. Perfect. Okay. So where were we? We were trying to see if the port would come up for this one. I'm going to wait for Arduino to load. While we're waiting, I'm going to go to Device Manager. That's a real shame. It's not showing up. I have no idea how to fix this yet. So I'm going to uninstall the device. Aha, and I'm also going to delete the drive. Out of curiosity, I'm going to go back into wherever we downloaded that file from our friends. Let's try the 86 version. It's just the 32-bit version. Nope. Site, we're going to use the 64. Oh. Use this one. Hear all the noises because I haven't turned them off yet. Okay, install the thing. I accept the agreement. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to install that driver. Now what? Has it shown up or has it disappeared? Apparently we have installed the drivers. So, unplug. Replug. Please find it. I've got no idea. I have no idea why this is not working. It's also very hot here at the moment. I haven't got the aircon on. Yes, we've done that. Yes, we've done that. Yeah, we've done all that. Oh, Atom. I think he's used the M5 stick set. Yeah, cool. MSAC library. Done that. Done that. Okay, USB drive is right on the side here. I've done that. Let's try again. We have done that. Okay, so we're just following this guide, which is telling us what to do. If I go here and I go here and I go run, I go yes, next, finish. It's apparently already installed. One more chance. Let's give it one more restart. Ah, the joys of doing it live. You can probably hear our lovely toddler in the background having a lot of fun. As Bill O'Reilly said.
That's tomorrow, and that is it for us today. Okay, I don't know what. Whatever it is, it's not right on a teleprompter. I don't.
The joys of doing it live. Okay, I will start the NDI capture again. So this time I'm actually going to stick it on the desktop. Oh, no, desktop on the taskbar. We should have lunch. Screen capture. Click. Okay, thank you. And we should be back. Yep, cool. So let's see where. Hello, computer. System. Oh, that was dumb. It's not a super fast computer. What am I doing? All over the place. Device manager. Well, I have no idea. That's apparently how you get it going. From that point, you just deploy it and it starts working. And you can use serial monitor to see what's going on. I don't know why that's not showing up. Isn't that fascinating? Well. Well, I don't know. Is it a dual? Is it a single? Should we find out? Should we go to the M5 Stack website and find out what it's actually got in there? Okay, here we go. Oops. That's the IMU. ES32 Pico. Did it say something can be used without a driver? Oh, M5 stick VT-Atom series can be used without a driver. Okay. Sure. Maybe we search for Windows updates. Maybe because this is a fresh... Yes. This is a fresh install. Ah, the joys of finding out. So there we go. Sometimes you've got to update your computer in order to get all the things. No wonder people give up on this. It is very difficult sometimes. what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to, while we're doing this, fade this away, and I'm going to actually do the Windows update. Oh no, not Windows update, the serial key, because we need to do that. What am I saying? I'm going to activate Windows. There's my key store, there it is. That's the one I've already assigned to this machine. Now I'm going to go into the machine. All we're doing is installing those updates and activating Windows. Maybe that'll fix it, maybe it won't. Let's find out. Yes, okay, so let's put in the product key. Paste. Because I'm using that, I can do it in here. Paste. Go. Activate. So what happens when you've got a few too many computers and licenses and you install things, forget to activate. Windows is activated. Hooray! Beautiful. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're back. Okay, so that update has been underway. Yet it still shows. Oh, it's still installing. No idea. Is this being... Ugh. There we go. Okay, that may be the USB cable. We're going to get a different USB cable. Yep. Okay, so let's see what happens now. It says setting up device. Yes, this is actually plugged in a EX90. Let's see what happens now. Device is ready to go. I think not. Maybe we try a different port. Oh, this is very bizarre. Click. I've been programming this on a MacBook Air with no problems. How bizarre. I've been programming it on a Dell laptop, no problems. Why not try installing the drivers? I don't know what the FTI chip is, man. Which one? Which FTI drivers? Oh. Okay. VCP. Okay, let's try that one. This is going to go in my Notepad++ document. Oh, no, 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 no. Dumb. Oh, move, dumb move, dumb move. Go back. Go back. Up. Up. Windows CE. Wow. That's some backwards compatible support right there. This shows you how fresh this machine is. I've only installed Chrome. Okay, I'm going to uncompress this document. And I'm going to say, oops, that's the folder I wanted. Here, click. And we're going to go to this driver. And we go M5 stack, update driver, browse my computer, paste. Next, installing drivers. USB serial converter. I think it worked. Okay, I'm going to pretend that it worked because I think it did work. But we're now going to unplug, replug. There it goes away. I saw a thing that said USB serial port. Sigh. Update driver. Paste in the thing. Installing drivers. Oh, there it is. Look, COM3. Okay, so that's how you fix that. So now, close, close, close. All this crap closed. Open up Arduino again. Yeah, quick little thing, not 42 minutes. I'll probably do an edited version later, which shows how to do this. But this is just everything that I'm encountering. And we go upload. Can I cancel the compile? I didn't select the port because I got too excited. Oh no, we might be okay. COM3. Oh, yeah, quick. M5 stick, yes. Port 3, yes, go. Oh, maybe we got it. Maybe we didn't. Let's find out. You can actually, once you've compiled this once, use a program to just upload the compiled code if you've got multiple of these, so you don't have to go through this long compile process every single time. I've done that because I've got about 20 of them, which is another long story. Yeah, yay, it's actually showing the right things here. COM3 and all that stuff. Oh, still compiling. Oh, look at this. It's writing it. Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. It's writing all the things. Hard resetting, and ladies and gentlemen, as I could show you, but I haven't got any camera set up at the moment, we now have got the code running on the little Arduino. And we can actually see some more about this as well. If we go into Tools, Serial Monitor, and we select the correct baud rate, which I think is that one. Let's do a quick little reset. Yep, this is the new code. There you go. Look at this. Network connected. Disconnect this because it's got the wrong password, but that's okay. That's fine. Look at this. It's all a happening bunny. Fantastic. And I can push through the buttons. I can get all the numbers. Happy days. Oh, fantastic. Well, there you go. And just like that, you've now deployed your first one. That took forever, didn't it? Sorry about that. That's some of the problems you will go into. But now you've got this, you can just literally plug in another one, click upload, or again, save that compiled code and upload that directly if you want to do it a little bit faster. All right, have a wonder-filled day, and we will see you on the next random tutorial of things that happens. And I'll do a better version now that we've got everything installed in the dependencies. All right, ciao for now. Bye.